Pioneers, my name is Skylar and I am a junior transfer student at Texas Women's University, and I will be bringing you a fresh new take to the WeAreTWU channel this semester. If I can say anything at all, I will say that your college experience will be infinitely better if you surround yourself with a good group of friends. So today I will be sharing my 5 tips on how to make the best friends in college. So the first one is an obvious one, but it's still a good one, and that's to join an organization. Joining an organization is a super fun way to make friends because you surround yourself with all these people that have the same interests as you. Pro tip, if you need help finding a student organization, you can go to one of the OrgFest fairs that we host every semester, or you can go on Pioneer Engage and look at the organizations and pick one that interests you. My next tip is actually just to participate in your classes. Some of my best friends I met in my major courses, and once you start getting into your more specialized and major courses, you actually start to see some of the same people over and over again. So you can get a lot more closer to those people. And don't neglect your group projects either. I know group projects are kind of but you still work a lot of time with those people. Our campus hosts a ton of events each day, and you can go to these events alone or with a friend, and you can meet a new person there. If you need help finding events, you can go on Pioneer Engage and click on the events button, and it'll show all the events that we have for this day, even next month. So you can plan ahead and go to these events and meet new people. Another great way to make friends is actually by getting involved in volunteer opportunities. Not only is it a great way to make friends and meet new people, but you also get to make a big difference in this world. If you need help finding volunteer opportunities, you can just Google volunteer opportunities, literally, and it'll show up a ton of databases that show volunteer opportunities in this area or other states and cities as well. Or you can go to the Center for Student Development and they can help you connect with some other volunteer opportunities as well. Last but certainly not least, get a job. Think about it. You spend long hours with these people and you work every day. So eventually you will become really good friends with your coworkers. And hey, they might introduce you to some of their friends. So eventually you'll make a strong group of people that you can make memories with as well. Finding a job is super easy as well. Just go to the Career Connection Center or you can go to TW Connect and they post on-campus jobs every day. So I hope you find these tips useful, and I hope you find a good group of very best friends to spend your college experience with. How did you meet your college bestie? Let us know in the comments below. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next month. Thank you.